it's Terry from Teri B Fancy Crafts, and this is the very first video that I'm going to be going through one of the Magik graphics CDs. And today we're going to go through this one, which is the Christmas card collection, and it's a very good CD. I'll let you see for yourself. I'll just switch over to the screen. Okay, so we have the Christmas card collection here. The folder is pretty large, or the CD is pretty large. As you can see, the folders go all the way over to there. So let's start off with the Christmas bauble. Before I do that, there's terms of use and printing hints and tips on there. The angel policy is you can use them for any projects that you wish. You can print them off as long as you don't print off and sell them as a sheet of paper, or just use them as a poster without sort of putting anything on them or making something with them. You're fine if you've got a finished project. Okay, so let's move that over a bit. As you can see, this doesn't quite capture the whole lot. So that's obviously a backing paper, and another one, another backing paper where you can put your own, no, this is the one you can put your own words in as an insert, or there's the ones there, the topper, and then you've got all different size toppers, tags, and these would be very, very useful for junk journals that are very popular at the moment. So let's close that one, go back in and grab the next one, which is Christmas by Candlelight. I'm going through them quickly, just because this video is literally just to give you an idea of what's actually on them. This one's Christmas morning. Remember to close them, otherwise my computer's going to get stuck. Christmas roses. Oh, that's that I've actually copyrighted myself for to use in newsletters, etc. This is Santa Claus. Or Father Christmas. There's a festive fox. Sorry. Didn't close Father Christmas either. The gifts galore. You can see they're all on the same format as with all the CDs. They have the same format within each other. What I mean by that is if there's a box on one, then it'll be on all of them within the CD. They haven't necessarily all got tags, all got toppers, all got inserts. It's dependent on what CD it is. This one, Sue, has very much gone for, that's Sue at Magik Graphics, has very much gone for more toppers rather than more elements, like toppers and backing paper. Start closing some of these. That one was called Joy, in case you didn't guess. This one's Lamplight. You're seeing those ones underneath because I haven't closed them when I've come out of them. I can quickly see that robin all the time now because I haven't actually closed the folder. Oh, that's sweet. There's something on this CD for everyone, I think. Close it. There are we. Mrs. Claus now to go with Father Christmas. So same colour wave, so they can be used together on one card, which I have done myself. There we go. Close. Owl wreath. There we go. Let's close it down. Seasoned squirrel, which is all the way out past where the boundaries of this software is. Well, isn't that beautiful? Now that you could go do real tongue-tied now. 2 loads with that, with stamps. Oh, look at that. You could use that as a moon. Just stamps. If you're going to draw in, you can even draw on them. You've got your scene already set there. Okay. This is a snowman. They say these backgrounds would be great for boxes too. I mean, it's incredible value for $12.99. This, to think you get all of this on the one CD. I mean, how quick, if you're running a business, how quick would it be to cut out all the tags, put them in packs? Perfect gift. Beautiful. Oops. Winter Friendship. This is more or less my favourite, this one. I love this one. A lot of you may have seen the card that I've made from this. Beautiful. And we're still going. Where are we? Right, this is the last one. Winter Robin. So that's the last one, so I'll just come back to you now. Hi, I hope you enjoyed that and that you like the CD. They will be, or they are available, or they should be available on our website at www.fancycrafts.co.uk. If you'd like to keep up to date with videos of the CDs as I'm doing them, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, you can sign up to my subscribers list for emails on the website, and that's www.fantasycrafts.co.uk. As always, I'd appreciate any comments that you have on the either the video or the content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.